If you're watching this video, you must have purchased one of our SA Series tractors. Thanks for choosing Yanmar. I'm Emily Hicks, a Customer Engagement Specialist, and today I'm going to go over the orientation and operations of your new SA Series tractors. Keep in mind the SA Series features 3 models, the SA 221, 324, and 424. I will be working with the 424, but we will be sure to call out any slight differences on the other models. For complete details, always remember to consult your tractor's operation manual. Also consult with your Yanmar dealer should you have any additional questions. Okay then, here we go. Because safety is always first when you're behind the wheel of any Yanmar tractor, be sure to review basic precautions, features, and perform your pre-operational check as outlined in your operation manual. We need you out there safe, happy, and healthy. So please wear your PPE, your work boots, ear and eye protection. Before you operate your tractor, always check for overhead clearances like power lines or anything that could potentially be hit by the rollover protective structure, or the ROPS. Ensure that people or any obstacles are not near your tractor, and always be of sound mind and body before taking the controls. Let's not take any chances out there. The ROPS is an important safety feature on your tractor. It should be in the up position. The ROPS should only be folded down when low clearance is required and then raised back up once clear. Note that when it's folded, you should unbuckle the seatbelt. Once you mount the tractor, you'll want to adjust the seat. The forward-backward adjustment lever allows the seat to adjust to one of the 14 different positions for maximum comfort. The armrests are also adjustable. To move the armrest, turn the thumb screw at the pivot for increased support. Once your ideal seat position is set and comfortable, fasten your seatbelt. Are you ready to feel the true power of your Yanmar tractor? Let's fire her up. The ignition switch is positioned below the steering wheel and to the right. The 4 positions are preheat, off, on, and start. The preheat position will energize the glow plugs prior to cranking. Turn to the glow position for 2 to 3 seconds when the ambient temperature is above 32 degrees, or 4 seconds when below 32 degrees. The on position will provide electrical power to the tractor control system. Turning the key to the start position will crank the tractor. When released, it will return to the on position. Turning the key to the start position will start the tractor once these conditions are met. The brake pedal must be either pressed or the parking brake engaged. The forward and reverse pedals must be in the released neutral position. The PTO switch must be in the off position. Use this multifunction switch to control the headlights, turn signals, and hazard lights. The brake pedal is located here on the right side. You'll use this when starting or if additional stopping power is ever needed. It can also be used to lock the parking brake with the orange T handle lever found here. To lock the parking brake, press the pedal, pull the handle up, and move the lock to hold it into position. To release it, press the pedal, lift the lever while moving the lock, and then release the handle. As stated earlier, before starting the tractor, the brake pedal must be pressed or the parking brake locked. With the SA Series tractors, engine speed determines PTO speed, hydraulic flow, and maximum travel speed. The throttle control lever controls engine speed. It is also an orange lever, but is over here on the right side of the steering wheel. Push forward to increase RPMs. Pull back to decrease. It's pretty straightforward. Forward and reverse pedals are here on the right side of the floorboard, just below the brake. Press either pedal to increase travel speed in the direction you would like to go. The maximum speed is set by the throttle control lever. When released, the pedals return to the neutral position and the tractor slows to a stop. The orange lever to the left of the seat is the range selection lever. The lever offers a high, neutral, and low gear setting. High range is used for higher travel speed and light work applications. Selecting low range reduces travel speed and is used for heavy load operations. As you might notice, these drive components feature orange-colored controls. The SA324 and 424 have a high and low range. The SA221 has one range. The SA tractor is also equipped with four-wheel drive, which is engaged by this orange lever found behind your left leg. Only shift to four-wheel drive when the tractor is stopped and avoid using it on pavement. To disengage, stop the tractor and pull the lever upward. Your differential lock pedal will help you get out of sticky situations. It can be engaged by pressing the pedal located on the left side of the floorboard. The differential lock is designed to be used off-road for short durations. Note, differential lock is an option on the SA221. When you're ready to get to work, we've got you covered. The 3-point hitch control lever adjusts the height of an attached implement. Move the lever forward to lower the lift arms, pull back to raise them. The numbers next to the lever reference the corresponding position. Use the 3-point hitch control lever in conjunction with the position stop knob for consistent and repeatable height control. Note, on the SA221, there is an up, down, and neutral position to raise and lower the 3-point hitch. Beneath the seat is the hydraulic flow control knob. Adjustment will be needed with each type of implement to prevent a drastic drop when lowering. Turn clockwise to slow descent and counterclockwise to increase descent. Your drop rate should be 2 seconds or more, so easy does it. Never operate your tractor with the hydraulic flow control knob in the fully closed position. Find the PTO switch beside the armrest on the left side of the tractor. Keep in mind, all PTO controls are color-coded yellow. The PTO switch powers any implement that you may have attached. Pull it up to turn it on and push it down to turn it off. Remember, the PTO switch must be in the off position to start the tractor. The PTO has two selections, rear or mid and rear. PTO operation can be selected by moving the yellow PTO selection lever found here on the left side of the seat. Move forward to engage both the mid and rear PTO and backward to engage the rear PTO. Note, the PTO must be disengaged when switching. Backing up with the mid PTO engaged is possible by pressing the reverse override button. Once reverse traveling begins, the reverse override button can be released. This protocol helps to prevent unintentionally backing while using a mid-mounted implement, such as a belly mower. Nobody wants to tear those up. Yikes. The implement control lever controls the loader or other front-mounted attachments. The implement control locking lever is located at the base. When in the up position, the control is unlocked. When the lock is in the down position, it will prevent the control lever from accidentally being engaged. The bucket will curl when the lever is moved to the left. Moving the lever slightly to the right will dump the bucket, while pushing the lever all the way to the right engages the fast dump function. Pulling back on the lever raises the loader, and pushing the lever forward will lower the loader. The SA Series tractor is also equipped with a float function. To engage, push the control lever all the way forward. The float function has a detent to hold the lever in place for continued float operation. All other positions will return to neutral when the lever is released. Sure beats shoveling, doesn't it? So it's time to call it a day. Here's how to turn off your SA Series tractor safely. Release the forward or reverse drive pedal. Throttle down the engine speed. Engage the parking brake. Lower the loader. If used, push the PTO switch to turn off the PTO. Move the 3-point hitch lever forward to lower any implements to the ground. Idle the engine for at least 2 minutes. Turn the ignition switch to the off position. To keep your tractor in tip-top shape, refer to your operation manual for details on your service schedule. Remember, the first 50-hour service is crucial. Proper and timely maintenance should keep your warranty intact. Well, that's it for now. If you have any questions along the way, see your operation manual or your local Yanmar dealer. And remember to visit us at yanmartractor.com.